Well. Lobster stock. Not a stock that most people will talk about, but honestly, it's a crime against humanity to take lobster shells and just toss them in the trash after you're done with a big old lobster boil. I do mine very slightly different. I actually put the half-eaten corn cobs in with the stock. It's a little bit of a thing that I just do. But this stock is one of the most underrated, versatile stocks there is. It's a minimum of 3 hours, but you can go 6, 7, 8 hours if you want, but a minimum of 3 hours, and what you end up with is a deep, an extraordinarily rich stock that you can do all kinds of stuff with. You know, people talk about risottos and soup bases and this and that. I use stocks like this to cook my rice in. Something as simple as that. You can cook rice in. You can, a couple teaspoons in something like cottage cheese. I know it sounds crazy, but just dip it in cottage cheese and swirl it around, and all of a sudden you have a beautiful lobster cottage cheese. It's really just a handful of ingredients. And enjoy, folks. Here we go. It's simple as this. Let me know what you think.
Bon appetit. Magnifico. Thanks for watching.